Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to delete one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and choose Remove in the pop-up. If you want to change order of your contacts, click on Reorder at the top right corner, change placement of them, and to save your changes, click on Save, also at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!